I'm going to be making unleavened bread. This will probably get me flat rating, so if you could, do the little thummy uppy thing. It helps. What we have is 2 cups of flour. We'll get 3/4 of a cup of warm water. Okay. But first, we go with the dry ingredients. Teaspoon salt. Okay. Tablespoon of onion powder. Okay. Stir it all together. Dry ingredients are mixed, warm water. And also 2 tablespoons of butter. The butter makes it so that it doesn't turn into a brick. Butter. Ready, set. Pick a pattern, any pattern. Getting the stuff introduced to itself. Caloric things, flour, it's about 880 calories for 2 cups. Butter is 900 calories a stick, so there's probably another 200 calories worth of butter in there. Spice, we don't care. The salt, no calories, but could make you gain water if you ate the whole loaf. Alright, it's getting nice and stiff now. It's actually important. Gotta put the flour down, otherwise this will glue itself. And I missed. I never miss. Must be smaller than I thought. For unleavened bread, you're not allowed to let it sit out because it will pick up yeast. Yeast floats in the air. It's everywhere. So beware. My mom used to flour her rolling pin, and this is her rolling pin. So I have to flour the pin because otherwise she will reach out and thump me. Pizza cutter. My kids used to love doing this. They would literally fight over who got to cut the bread. And what do we do with it? We wad it up into tight balls. Balls. These have to be nominally the same size, but you never get them quite perfect. Don't worry about it. If someone wants a bigger one, they'll take the bigger one. If they want the smaller one, because, oh, it's that flatbread. Okay. Basically, what you're going to wind up with is unleavened pancakes. Yay! And you know you want some. And if any are too big, well, you can steal a little bit of dough from one of the large ones and put it on one of the small ones if you want to do that much work. Start the stove. While the stove's coming up to temperature, now we flatten them out round. Why did you? Yeah, because that's the way you do it, okay? Yes, I need more flour. No, you're not breeding. You're not getting together. Not tonight. Not on my watch. Perfect. Now, how do you eat these? Well, let me show you. It's not going to work, is it? Oh well. Peanut butter, jelly. Comfort food. Years ago, I was at a church camp out, and I was playing on my laptop. I was playing RuneScape, and my son was upset because he had to do homework. Wah. So he came in and he threw his big old book on one end of the picnic table, and I was at the other, and I just happened to be moving across, and I high-alked my whip. He got really quiet, and I got peanut butter and jelly, comfort food. Perfect. You want one?